guys, welcome to another video from HCG. This is Gabriel again, and today we'll review another build. Let's check it out, So it's basically the same thing we saw before, the one with the dual core G3220, but this time we add the i5 quad core 3.4 gigahertz. So that's a big step right there. We still have the same memory, 8 GB from Corsair, 1600 MHz, SATA 6, Seagate 1 TB hard drive. So yeah, that's basically it. And we show it here just in case. That's the i5 quad core 4460. So right here we got the Corsair 8 GB memory, 1600 MHz dual channel. Beautiful memory, so stable, I love it. And MSI military class 4 motherboard, amazing board. H81E33, that's the H81 chipset from Intel with a USB 3.0, SATA 6, fast boot for Windows 8. Just crazy good. I love this computer. Just a little computer, but so powerful. Alright, and I gotta tell you something else, guys. The 1st of July, there'll be the new CPU from Intel coming out. It's gonna be like basically a dual core CPU, standard CPU, 3.2 gigahertz I think. But here's the big thing, unlocked. So basically what I'm saying here is that you can get chip computer for, let's say, $400, and you'll having a CPU that can perform as good as the i5 quad core, because we can overclock it to, like, let's say 4.2 gigahertz. That's just crazy, man. A dual core CPU running 4.2 gigahertz, and we have tested and it has gone up to like 4.7 gigahertz. So I think you're gonna love it. So check it out. We have it on listing, so you can add it to the order. Alright guys, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, go ahead and ask. That's what we're here for. And check our Facebook channel down there too, and our Twitter. Hope you like it. See you soon.